Hello guys, ito yung ano natin ulit. Magagawin tayo ng emergency button. Emergency button. Kung paano gumamit ito ng dito sa BA 600. Yan. Basta pinindot natin to kasi na-program na natin kasi ito na dito sa computer. Yan. Nag-download tayo ng voice message, tapos in-install natin dun sa may SD card at nilagay natin dito sa amplifier. Okay, testing na natin. Yan, tapos meron tayong alert message, yung 1.
Attention please. An incident has been reported in the building.
Narinig nyo?
Please await further instructions.
General alarm.
Please. Attention please.
Joke lang, di ba?
An incident has been reported in the building.
Report message lang.
Please await further instructions.
Reset natin ulit. Oh. Tapos, yung isa naman sa evac message. Yan, evac message. Yan. Ito yung ngayon yung general alarm. May sunog ngayon dun sa building. Yan. Pakinggan natin.
May I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? A fire alarm has been reported in the building.
General alarm yan.
Please proceed to the nearest available exit and evacuate the building. Do not use the elevators. Use the stairwells only.
Program
May I
natin.
have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Nakapular
A
lahat.
fire alarm has been reported in the
Sabi
building.
naka-monitor
Please proceed
yung
to the
lahat
nearest
ng
available exit and evacuate the building.
nandito
Do not
nakasynchronize
use
dun
the
sa ating
elevators. Use the stairwells only.
PC.
May I have your attention,
Sa
please?
software. Yan.
May I have your
Reset
attention,
natin.
please?
Ayun. Thank you. Tapos, ayun, ito naman. Itong mic na to, emergency naman. Kunyari, hindi gumagana yung mga ano natin. Pwede natin mag-message o kaya meron tayong emergency na message. Pwede natin itong gamitin. Ayan o. Pag pinik natin yan, yun. Tapos pakinggan natin yung beep na ganyan. Tsaka tayo pwede magsalita. Check, mic testing. Check, mic testing. 1, 2, 3. Check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Ayan. Yun na yan, ha? Ayan, matapos yan. Pag ginano mo, pok. Back to normal ulit. Ching! Thank you.